Okay guys, you have to try this Pina Colada matcha protein shake.
Freeze 1 tray of orange juice. I use 50% less sugar.
Empty your frozen orange juice into a blender.
I'm loving Nutrell's Plus protein milk. It has 18 grams of protein and it is lactose free. Next, I'm gonna add half to 1 teaspoon of Sipology's premium coconut matcha. I'm adding 1 teaspoon because I need a little extra caffeine today.
Add 1 cup of protein milk to a whisking bowl.
Be sure to mix well. Add protein milk to the blender. Add a little extra oat meal if you need it, and blend until slushy consistency. For more recipes, follow me, and to get your hand on some of this premium coconut matcha from Sipology, go to my website below. Cheers! So good.